Yeah, this is Marky Mark. This is my new 2025 Rubicon 520, and this is a winch install review. I'm not a real good teacher, so I couldn't film it while I was installing it, but I can show you the aftermath. I put the solenoid right under here because the solenoid is weatherproof. You can get to it real easy there. I'm not mounting it on the frame where you can't get to it or back in my storage. So that's that. This is the winch right here. That's the free spool. It is a 2500 Black Widow winch. Got it through discountramps.com. Really good price. This is the hook and the fair lead. KFI winch mount. Whatever you do, do not skip a step that comes with the KFI winch mounting plate, because if you do, you'll find yourself taking it back apart. Come on right over here. This is the motor, and you'll notice all of my wires, they're in soft wire protectant. You'll not see blue and yellow wires cable tied down the side of mine. I took the plastics off the front, the grill, the rack, the top plastics, so I could purposely hide my wires going to my solenoid, and it made a really professional looking job, if I have to say so myself. So this is my winch review. I'll keep you posted on how the Black Widow winch is. It's a 2,500 pound winch. I've tested it. Tests out great. Also, I put the X-Bull wireless remote on this winch. Hid the receiver behind the headlight. Up here's my hard switch, my in and out. Hope this helps somebody out. If you just take your time, watch what you're doing, get that soft wire loom in black, hide your wires, you can have a professional looking job. Thanks for coming along. God bless.